Alright, so I'm scanning the field that I always fly. Alright, trying to find my battery tender, screamer, majigger. And there's always these little tiny birds that float around here as I'm flying, and I play with them. Sometimes there's little ones, usually it's the medium small ones. But today I've got one of the little guys. I'm waiting for him to come back as I'm scanning. Oh, there he is. This guy is just following me around and doing loops around me and stuff, and just like taunting me with flying today, saying, oh, it's just the greatest weather to be flying around right next to the ground, and I'm just gonna taunt you with it. While you're looking for your battery tender, I'm gonna friggin' taunt you with the flight that you so desire. Whoosh. See, they're just taunting me. I stop moving and then they fly away. I go back to scanning, they come back and start looping around me again. It's just funny.